This boat is a Harris. It's a 2023. The model is the Harris 250 Solstice. It's a big 25-foot tri-tune boat. It's powered by a Mercury 300 horsepower 4-stroke outboard. It features the 10-foot electric-powered Bimini top. Some of the features: it has a total lighting package. It has the raised helm. The sound system, the stereo system, is the JL Platinum sound system. The layout, the floor plan, is the big single rear lounge seat with dual helm seats and an aft safety rail. This is a trade-in boat available for sale now at MarineMax on Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey.